Ultimize. If you think meetings are a waste of time, you may be training your own replacement. According to recent reporting in the Wall Street Journal and the Harvard Business Review, companies that went all in on Slack, email, and asynchronous communication are now reversing course. They're finding that while routine updates can happen without meetings, real decision making, collaboration, and alignment still require people talking to each other in real time. In other words, the experiment is over. You can't run a business on group text. You can try. You can have a 47 message Slack thread, 3 follow-up emails, and a shared document that nobody actually reads. But eventually someone has to step in and say, here's what we're doing. And at that moment, almost always happens in a meeting. That's where it happens. Now, let me translate what's really going on here, because this is not a story about meetings. This is a story about power, what actually happens in a meeting. People talk, people present, people persuade, people decide. Yeah, sometimes people get bored. I get it. But the person who does those things best wins. Not necessarily the smartest person in the room, not the person with the most data, not the person who worked the longest hours, the person who can stand up or sit down, speak clearly, and move people in a direction. That person controls the outcome. Now, here's where this becomes incredibly relevant in the age of AI. Yeah, AI can write code. AI can analyze data. AI can generate reports, wow, really quickly, and it looks impressive. But AI still can't walk into a room full of humans and do what really matters. It can't read tension between two executives. Not yet, anyway. It can't sense when people are confused but afraid to say something. It can't decide the exact right moment to interrupt and redirect a conversation. It can't combine emotion, logic, and timing to persuade a group of people to agree on something and start working together on a common goal. That's not a technical skill. That's a human skill, at least as of right now. And it's becoming more valuable, not less. Now, I know there's a whole culture out there that loves to mock meetings. You could have just emailed that. Sometimes that's fair. This meeting is pointless. Meetings are a waste of time. Really? Let's think about that. If you have 10 people working on a complex project, all with different incentives, different priorities, different personalities, do you think they're all going to magically agree without ever talking, without debate, without someone stepping in and saying, let's focus here, let's make a decision? Getting consensus among a group of humans is one of the hardest things in the world. It requires clarity, confidence, emotional intelligence. It requires communication skill. These are not so-called soft skills. These are survival skills. Because if your job involves other people, and almost every job does, then your success depends on how well you communicate with those people. And the number one place where that happens is in meetings. So let me be blunt. If you're bad at speaking in meetings, you're putting your career at risk, not because someone is going to fire you tomorrow, but because the person who communicates better will slowly, steadily move ahead of you. They'll get their ideas approved. They'll get buy-in. They'll be seen as a leader, and you'll be seen as someone who is just there. Now, here's the mistake most people make. They show up to meetings and just start talking. They think out loud. They ramble. They hope something smart comes out. That's not a strategy. That's an improvisation under pressure, and it rarely works. If you want to be effective, you have to prepare. Before every important meeting, you need 2 or 3 clear messages, not 10 ideas, not a big brain dump, but 2 or 3 points that you can say clearly, confidently, and repeatedly. You also need to practice speaking out loud. And I don't mean thinking about speaking. I mean actually speaking. Record yourself on a video. Watch it. Improve it. I don't mean some big 40-minute PowerPoint presentation, but if you've got one important point that you know you want to make in that meeting, maybe just practice it out loud to your cell phone for 30 seconds and look at it. That's the fastest way to get better. You also need to learn how to frame conversations. Instead of talking more, talk smarter. Say things like, here's what I'm hearing. Say, let's focus on the key decision. Say, the real issue is this. That's quite often leadership, or at least what people think of as leadership. And yes, You need to get comfortable occasionally interrupting, politely, professionally, but decisively, because meetings are not passive experiences. If you sit there waiting your turn, you may never get one. And finally, understand this: facts alone don't move people. Emotion matters, clarity matters, confidence matters, the ability to connect matters. Now, let me zoom out for one final point. AI is going to automate tasks. It's going to replace certain functions. It already has. It may even replace entire categories of jobs, but it is not right now replacing the ability to walk into a room, look people in the eye, and get them to agree with you. That skill is becoming more valuable every single day. So the next time someone tells you that meetings are a waste of time, don't argue. Just remember what they're really saying. They're telling you they haven't figured out how the world actually works. And this is your opportunity. Quick thought before we move on. If you're like most people, you don't need another idea. You need something that actually sticks, because the real game isn't learning once. It's seeing the same useful message enough times that it finally becomes automatic. That's exactly why I created Ultimize. So if this show is giving you even a little value, go to ultimize.com and grab a free course. There's one on communication skills, one on building better habits. Just pick one and start. It takes about a minute to sign up. It's free, and it's actually designed to stay with you. Ultimize.com. Ultimize.